Thousands of years ago, Egyptian queens lined their eyes with ochre browns to channel divine power. Today, we reach for brown eyeshadow to channel something just as timeless: confidence. This color has bridged eras, cultures, and trends, and now it's here to transform your everyday looks into unforgettable ones. Brown isn't just a shade, it's a storyteller. Ancient warriors used earthy pigments to signal strength. South Asian brides adorned their eyes with henna-inspired browns to symbolize auspicious beginnings. In the 90s, supermodels like Naomi Campbell redefined brown as bold rebellion with smoky mahogany eyes. Today, it's a universal language of understated glamour, proof that brown's power lies in its ability to evolve while staying rooted in tradition. To harness brown's magic, start with your skin's undertone. Warm golden or olive skin, terracotta and caramel will make your eyes smolder. Cool rosy or porcelain tones? Ashy taupes and espresso add depth without dullness. Neutral? Mix and match. Swatch test under natural light. The right brown won't just sit on your skin, it'll become your skin. That's the secret to a look that's effortless, never forced. Brown rewards patience. Start with a primer, your canvas. Layer matte browns into the crease with a fluffy brush, then press shimmering bronze onto the lid. Build slowly, like you're painting a masterpiece. For drama, smudge espresso liner along the lash line. For softness, swipe cinnamon brown mascara. And here's the best part: brown forgives mistakes. Messy blend? Just swirl your brush and call it art. Brown eyeshadow is your 24/7 ally. At work, a single matte shade whispers professionalism. For date night, gold-flecked browns catch the light and their attention. Even at weekend brunch, a wash of taupe makes "I woke up like this" look intentional. Pair it with a nude brown lip, and that's quiet luxury in motion. Brown eyeshadow isn't just makeup, it's a legacy. A nod to the queens who came before. Us and a promise to future you. Confident, versatile, unapologetically you. So next time you pick up that palette, remember, you're stepping into a story centuries in the making and writing your own chapter. Ready to make history?